Gaming Reimagined. Game Loot Network works like an app store, but we offer much more than just games. Blockchain technology allows the platform to be an entertainment superstore with resources for purchase and design. Gaming gone professional. Every game on the platform uses our token, Loot. It's a gaming currency with actual worth. No more hollow high scores and empty achievements. Your virtual triumphs have real-life value. Build funds and resources for game developers. Enabling indie artists. Like Kickstarter specifically for gaming, developers submit their game ideas to a catalog. If in the platform, users then use Loot to sponsor promising projects, giving designers a development budget. In exchange for their tokens, backers receive a revenue-generating percentage of the ICO. Title: Generate recurring income. When user-sponsored games are finished, they generate revenue for the developers and the backers. Independent artists reduce expenses, and players earn income through games they helped shape. You could own a percentage of the industry's next global hit. Play. User-curated games and decentralized publishing. Gaming tournaments. Our regularly held tournaments award OOT prize pools and in-demand electronics. The brow sweating competition typically reserved for professionals becomes accessible to all. Earn recurring revenue for designers and players. Stabilize internal economy. Our gaming currency enables every reward resource on the platform. With Loot, users can enter tournaments, sponsor indie games, purchase boosts and upgrades, bid on online auctions, earn extra income, and so much more. Loot will thrive, nourished by extensive in-app utility, far-flung from the volatile crypto space.
Meet Ethan. He's an indie video game developer. Unfortunately, when Ethan has a big idea for a game, budget restrictions limit the scope of his vision. Grand ideas require big cash. Even when his games get built, Ethan can't afford to launch a colossal marketing campaign, so his games get lost in the crowd. Poor Ethan. This is Lindsay. She's an avid gamer. Games often talk to Lindsay. They say stuff like, "Hey Linz, invite friends to play with you, and we'll give you something for sharing our game." That's what business hotshots call user acquisition. It takes a lot of money to acquire players for your game, but Lindsay isn't rewarded sufficiently for her role in the process. The developers need the funds to launch their games, unfettered by the whims of publishing gatekeepers, and gamers should be rewarded for their time and talent with real-life value. Our platform will champion developers and players like no piece of technology before it. Who are we? We're Game Loot Network. Game Loot Network's online distribution platform works like an app store with features enabled by blockchain technology. The cryptocurrency, Loot, allows the platform to be a revolutionary one-stop shop for all of gaming. Users will build, play, and earn within the platform. An integrated crowdfunding resource allows game designers like Ethan to submit their ideas to a catalog within the platform. Users like you select from a list of promising projects and submit Loot tokens to provide developers with a design and marketing budget. Users are incentivized to support awesome ideas because when those crowdfunded games are finished, the titles create recurring income for the developers, as well as the backers who submitted Loot tokens. Imagine owning a revenue-generating stake in the industry's next smash hit. Clash of Clans produces millions each day. What if you owned a piece of something like that? Well, now you could. And we haven't forgotten about Lindsay. For gamers like her, the platform features user-curated games and competitive tournaments with real-life rewards. Brow-sweating gameplay typically reserved for professionals becomes available to all, and your invites won't go to waste. An extensive referral system lets users earn residual income for sharing the platform. Unlike other noisemakers in the crypto space, Game Loot Network boasts a working product. Extensive beta testing of the platform yielded $5 million in just over 7 months. When games are built and eventually downloaded with Loot tokens, Loot will power thousands of contained virtual economies. The platform will be the main hub, with Loot tokens sent to and from these respective worlds. Loot will thrive nourished by actual use case rather than speculative value. With Loot tokens, users will collectively decide the games they want designed. Developers' ideas will launch because of merit, not boisterous marketing campaigns. The time has come to take the industry back from the corporations and give it to the users. Game Loot Network. Build, play, and earn.